Ever hear native speakers say just in case and wonder when to use it? Yeah, this phrase is perfect for talking about preparation and backup plans. Today, you're mastering this essential expression plus vocabulary about being ready for anything. Let's dive in. Part 1, listening practice. Listen to this practical conversation about being prepared. Hey, Daniel, are you packing an extra charger for the trip? Nah, my phone battery lasts all day. I don't think I'll need it. You should bring one just in case. Sometimes batteries drain faster than expected. Good point. My phone died quickly last weekend, even though it was fully charged that morning. Exactly. It's always better to be prepared, especially when traveling. All right, I'll throw the portable charger in my backpack. It's pretty compact anyway. Smart move. Oh, and grab some snacks just in case we can't find restaurants on the road. Thanks, Rachel. You're always thinking ahead. No worries. Let's leave now before traffic goes. Part 2. Vocabulary time. Let me explain these practical expressions. First, just in case. This means as a precaution, to be safe if something unexpected happens. Example, take your jacket just in case it gets cold tonight. Next, even though. This introduces a contrast between two facts that seem contradictory, like she went jogging even though it was raining heavily. Then, be prepared, to be ready and equipped for possible situations. For instance, students should be prepared for surprise quizzes. Also, thinking ahead, planning for future possibilities or consequences. Example, he's thinking ahead by saving money for emergencies. Finally, drain. When something gradually uses up energy or resources, like streaming videos drains my phone battery quickly. Grammar note. Just in case can end a sentence or introduce a reason. Example, ending sentence. Bring water just in case. Example, with reason. Bring water just in case you get thirsty. Oh, repetition is crucial. Watch this multiple times and practice aloud. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Answer these questions confidently. What did Rachel ask Daniel about? Packing a charger. She asked if he's packing an extra charger. Did Daniel think he needed it? No, he didn't. He thought his battery lasts all day. What did Rachel advise? Bring one just in case. She said he should bring one just in case. Why should Daniel bring a charger? Because batteries drain faster than expected sometimes. Did Daniel agree with Rachel? Yes, he did. He said, good point. What happened to Daniel's phone last weekend? It died quickly even though it was fully charged. What does even though show? Contrast. It shows two facts that seem contradictory. What did Rachel say about being prepared? It's always better to be prepared, especially when traveling. What kind of charger will Daniel bring? Portable. He'll bring the portable charger. What else did Rachel suggest? Grab snacks. She suggested grabbing snacks just in case. Why bring snacks? In case they can't find restaurants on the road. What did Daniel say about Rachel? She's always thinking ahead. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Repeat with natural, practical intonation. Hey Daniel, are you packing an extra charger for the trip? You should bring one just in case. Sometimes batteries drain faster than expected. Exactly. It's always better to be prepared, especially when traveling. Smart move. Oh. And grab some snacks just in case we can't find restaurants on the road. No worries. Let's leave now before traffic gets heavy. Nah, my phone battery lasts all day. I don't think I'll need it. Good point. My phone died quickly last weekend, even though it was fully charged that morning. All right, I'll throw the portable charger in my backpack. It's pretty compact anyway. Thanks, Rachel. You're always thinking ahead. Excellent work today. Just in case is one of the most useful phrases for showing you're cautious and prepared. Use it when packing, planning, or making backup arrangements. Native speakers love this expression because it shows smart thinking. Practice until it's automatic. Watch this daily. And remember, being prepared isn't being paranoid. It's being smart. I'm Vey from English Mastery Podcast. Keep learning these practical expressions, stay prepared, and your English will sound naturally wise. See you next time. Keep growing.